By 2030, the RV you know today will be unrecognizable. Much electric, self-driving, even AI-powered, motorhomes are evolving faster than ever. And in this video, we're exploring exactly how RV life is about to change forever. First, the way RVs are powered is transforming. Gasoline engines are being replaced with electric and hydrogen fuel cells, and solar skins will generate power as you drive. Imagine never worrying about fuel stops, just the open road charged by the sun. Second, the inside of RVs is becoming smarter than ever. AI assistants will control lighting, temperature, and even cooking. Modular furniture will shift from an office to a bedroom in seconds. It's not just a camper, it's a thinking home on wheels. Third, driving itself will change. Self-driving RVs will let families relax, play games, or just enjoy the view while the vehicle handles the road. For many, that means freedom like never before. And finally, RVs won't just be for vacations. By 2030, many people will live full-time in futuristic motorhomes, working remotely, traveling endlessly, and redefining what home really means. It's not just a vehicle, it's the future of freedom. So what excites you most about the RVs of tomorrow? Drop a comment below, smash that like, and hit subscribe so you never miss the road ahead. Because here, the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we drive.